I'm Beth, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today we are making homemade scrunchies. To make these scrunchies, all you will need is a rectangle that is 20 inches by 5 inches in the fabric of your choice. Go ahead and fold that rectangle in half, making sure that the right sides are together, and then sew along that edge. Go ahead and take an iron, or you can use a hair straightener like I'm doing, and flatten out that seam. And go ahead and smooth out any wrinkles that may be on the fabric. Now go ahead and flip it partially inside out so it makes another fold on one side, and make sure that that is 1/2 inch long, and then iron that in place. And do the same on the opposite side. This is done, go ahead and fold it in half, making sure that the seam is facing the outside, then wrap a hair tie around it. Once you have the hair tie around it, go ahead and fold it together like I'm doing here, and match up the seam so that it will look even and just a lot neater, and pin that in place. Then pin it all the way around the scrunchie in the direction that you will be sewing. I personally like to sew around the very edge of my scrunchie, but you can also do it to the end of the foot and it would still look really cute. That's it for today's video. If you really like these easy beginner scrunchies, go ahead and like that video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.